Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the top 5 best business laptops in 2021 you can buy Amazon. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. The finest operating system, storage space and kind, form factor, screen resolution, and security features are just a few of the variables to consider when choosing the appropriate business laptop for your needs. While you may already have an operating system that you like, it's worth checking out the latest Windows, Apple, Chrome, and Linux software. If you frequently travel or work on the go, a portable computer with a long battery life is essential. If you'll be using your laptop primarily in one location, you might be able to forego convenience in exchange for power and performance. Even while storage has never been more accessible, you must still determine how much capacity you require and whether the speed of a solid-state drive is worth the additional expense. Number 5. Acer Swift 3, AMD. If your company is on a tight budget and you're looking for the best bang for your buck, the Acer Swift 3 illustrates that exceptional performance can be had for a surprise cheap price. This laptop, which uses AMD hardware, has a long battery life, 1109, and a slim design. It also has more connectors than some of the laptops listed above, including a USB Type-C port, HDMI port, and a USB-A port. You also get a fingerprint scanner. The keyboard's quiet, pleasant keys make it ideal for getting work done in an office. We simply wish the Swift 3's display was brighter and more colorful, and the speakers were a little more powerful. However, if you're wanting to get things done on a budget, the AMD-based Acer Swift 3's pricing and performance are hard to beat. Number 4. Asus VivoBook Flip 14. Asus VivoBook Flip 14 J401 is a slim and light 14-inch model in the Asus VivoBook Flip range. It has an incredibly slim 15.4mm profile, and features the Asus Nano Edge ultra-narrow display bezel that enables it to fit a 14-inch display into a chassis of an average 13-inch laptop. It's powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor for the performance required for daily multitasking. Use the VivoBook Flip 14 as a stylish laptop, a handy tablet, or anything in between. Asus VivoBook Flip 14 is thinner and lighter than ever, with an amazingly thin 17.6mm profile. It weighs just 3.3 pounds. It's one of the most portable 14-inch convertible laptops around, keeping you productive and entertained, anywhere. With an ultra-narrow 6.15mm Nano Edge bezel design, the VivoBook Flip 14 fits a 14-inch Full HD display into a typical 13-inch laptop frame with an incredible 82% screen-to-body ratio for more immersive viewing. The display also features 178 wide-view technology to ensure that colors and contrast remain vivid and bold, even when viewed at sharp angles. VivoBook Flip 14 features a fingerprint sensor for quick and easy logins with Windows Hello. VivoBook Flip 14 features a 3x the lifespan of standard lithium-ion batteries. VivoBook Flip 14 is designed for the ultimate touch experience, and detects the subtlest movements of your fingertips. Number 3. Lenovo Yoga 9i. The Lenovo Yoga 9i's slick metal design, high-end features, and killer battery life make it a serious contender among premium convertible notebooks. Lenovo's flagship consumer convertible, the Yoga 9i, has replaced the C940. I immediately recognized the advantages of its cutting-edge Intel Evo platform, such as quick wake-up from sleep and snappy performance from its quad-core Core i7-1185G7 processor. My Best Buy setup has 16GB of memory as well, however it only has a 512GB solid-state drive, which I'd want to see increased to 1TB. With Lenovo's premium service tier, it comes with a 1-year warranty. The thinner they are, the less ports they pack. The Yoga 9i has a grand total of 4 ports, and one of them includes the charging port. I like that the Yoga 9i includes a pen, something that often costs extra. The trade-off for its convenient ability to park or slot inside the chassis, at the right rear corner, is its skinny 6.5mm width, requiring a more pinched grip than a regular ink pen. I particularly enjoy how the bar rotates, allowing the Yoga 9i to provide terrific sound in tablet and in-between modes. It's one of the nicest characteristics of this convertible. Number 2. HP Elite Dragonfly Notebook PC. The HP Elite Dragonfly is another 2-in-1 laptop that's ideal for business because of its slim and light design, long battery life, 12+ hours, and comfortable keyboard. It also has a crisp, Gorgeous display and all of the security measures that the HP Elite line is known for, such as a physical webcam privacy shutter and the assurance that it has passed 19mm STD 810 tests, providing you some peace of mind when it is eventually knocked off a desk. The most significant disadvantage is the cost, as this laptop may cost upwards of $2,000 if fully loaded. Number 1. Dell XPS 15. If you need a large screen for your work laptop, the XPS 15 is a wonderful option because it's remarkably slim and attractive for its size, with the same superb performance and thin bezeled construction as its XPS siblings. Some sensible design modifications, including as larger keycaps and a snappy touchpad that's nearly 60% larger than the previous version, make the new XPS 15 even better. Don't be fooled by its slim and sophisticated appearance. The Dell XPS 15 2020 is a workhorse in every way. Its optional NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650T GPU provides it some considerable muscle for graphics work and after-hours gaming, and its 10th general Intel Core processors can easily handle several activities. When you add in a pair of powerful speakers and a long battery life for a 4K laptop, the new XPS 15 is one of the best 15-inch laptops you can purchase for business.